This is the Aqua POS basic retail functions tutorial. Let's go ahead and log in first. I'm going to go ahead and do a sales transaction. I'm going to scan a couple barcode items. Let me scan one more item. Customer is buying 2 of those. You can scan it twice, or you can hit a numeric number here on the keypad. Let's hit number 2 and scan the item again. And there you have it, 2 pieces of the potato chips. Also, let's do another input item. You could also do it directly through the POS interface. Let's go to cigarettes, and customer wants to buy a pack of AAA cigarette. Okay, and hit subtotal to go into the payment screen. Let's say, for example, the customer says, I changed my mind, I don't want the necklace anymore here. At this point, you can still go back, hit the edit button, select the necklace item, hit delete, and that removes it from the purchase order. And go ahead and hit sub back to the payment screen. From here, you can collect payments as cash, credit, check, or certificates. Let's do a cash transaction this time. You can hit the amount that they gave you, let's say $15, and hit cash, and that'll be $15. Or let's clear this out, hit 0. Or you could also use the preset buttons here: $100, $50, 20, 10, 5, or the exact change. Let's hit the exact change this time, 1301. Okay, receipt prints out. Pass it over to the customer, and that's it. Let's go ahead and hit clear to go back. Next transaction, I'd like to do a sales for a lottery ticket. Let's say customer wants to buy 5 lottery tickets here, and he wants to buy 10 scratchers here. This one I want to show the pop-up options. Let's say 10, and hit scratchers. There's a pop-up that shows is the $1 scratchers, $2 scratchers, or $3 scratchers. These all can be configured and renamed to whatever it is you like. Let's go ahead and say buy the 10 pieces of the $2 scratchers. Okay, $2, 10 pieces, $20. Okay, subtotal. Let's say customer paying with credit card this time. You can hit the exact amount here for credit, or let 0 to clear it out again, or you could do a partial credit and partial cash. Let's say customer wants to pay $20 in credit card and the rest in cash. So let's do 20 in credit, remaining amount of $719, $719 cash, remaining balance 0, hit total, receipt prints out, pass it on to the customer, and you're done. Okay, clear to go back. Now I'd like to go over on doing a refund. Let's say a customer says, I bought this energy drink and I don't want it, I haven't opened it, I want to get my money back. You can go ahead and hit refund. The energy drink will show here, -$199, that's the amount to be refunded. Same as the cash paid transaction, hit subtotal to the payment screen. Shows here including with the tax, -$216. Just go ahead and hit the exact amount, and receipt and drawer opens up, and you can go ahead and return the money to the customer. Once again, clear to go back. One other item I want to go over is how to recall a previous transaction receipt. From here, you can go to the function to recall, and it'll show the latest, the last transaction that was done. You can use the up and down buttons here to scroll up and down to all the previous transactions. Once you found the one that you wanted and you want to print out another copy, go ahead and hit receipts, and it'll print out another copy for you or for the customer. And that covers that part. Clear to go back. Okay, before we conclude this part of the video, I'd like to go over some additional functions on this POS system. Let's go into functions first. Let's look at report. Report shows you a report basically of all the transactions that are done in the system. You can sort it out through departments, category items, coupons, payout options, if you have any coupons or payouts, order list distribution and time log, the time and the transactions of each item through their order numbers, and also stock inventory items. Okay, this is for the entire day. You can look at it through past current dates as well, by each individual date, or you can look at it through a period. Let's say you want to look at it from May 1st all the way to May 5th. From here on, you can hit show or print, which will print out an entire copy of the report for you. OK to exit. OK again to go back. Another function is the time clock function. You can use that for the employees if you have any. Just hit time clock. Employee will punch in the passcode, hit clock in or clock out. Another function is inventory control. Function again, inventory. From here you will scan a barcode. If you have an existing item, it will pop up. If not, you can from here you can create the new item name, set a selling price, and hit create. And another function is paid out. If let's say you need to buy some small supplies for your store or anything like that, just hit payout. Use the on-screen keyboard to type in a brief description of the item. Set the price here. Hit enter and then confirm it. Okay, quit to go back. And finally, a daily function. Daily is your daily closing cash register function. From here you can use the calculator here to count all your money. Let's say $5 $20 bills to $5 bills, and etc. etc. If you make a mistake, hit clear to go back, clear out everything, and OK to go back. Okay, and that's just a brief description of all the available functions on the system.